Good morning, children. This is Shubhalsu speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter 2, which is about linear equation. We are in exercise 2.4. We're in exercise 2.4, and here we will discuss about three important questions which are very important from this exercise. Question number 8, 9, and 10. So, children, here in question number 8 is written about half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and three-fourths of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest nine are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So, children, it's very important to understand what is the number of deers in the herd. That is unknown. So let it be x. Let the total number of deers in the herd be equal to x. As I don't know, I have considered the total number of deers in the herd is x. Now we will solve it step by step. So in the first part of this question is the half of a herd of a deer are grazing in the field. So children, out of x number of deers, half have gone for grazing. So how many have gone for grazing? The number of deers are grazing is equal to x by 2. From where I got this x by 2? X is the total number of deers, and if you divide it by 2, I'll get the half of it. So these number are grazing in the field. These are grazing in the field. Now children, the next part of the question is the and three-fourths of the remaining are playing nearby. Okay, so the number of deers are playing is three-fourths of 3 by 4 of x by 2, because the total number of deers were x. From here x by 2 went for grazing, and remaining x by 2 are remaining x by 2. Out of this remaining x by 2, three-fourths are playing. So this is x by 2 is the remaining, x by 2 went for playing, and x by 2 is the remaining. So out of this x by 2, three-fourths are playing. So let us find how many deers are playing, children. So 3 by 4 of x by 2 means 3 by 4 into x by 2. Of means into, as we all know. It's 3x by 8. Children, this number of deers are playing. Out of x by 2 went for grazing. X by 2 are remaining. Out of x by 2, 3x by 8 are playing. So children, if according to the question x by 2 were remaining, like from x by 2 went for grazing, x by 2 is remaining. Out of x by 2, 3x by 8 are playing. So if I subtract 3x by 8 from x by 2, that is equal to the total remaining number of deers, which is 9 mentioned in the question. Out of x by 2 went for grazing, x by 2 left. From x by 2, 3x by 8 went for playing. How many are total remaining or left? X minus 2, x by 2 minus 3x by 8. X by 2 minus 3x by 8. Let us subtract this number. LCM of 2 and 8 will be 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 into x results 4x. Minus 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 into 3x is 3x. Is equal to 9. Now children, from here I'm starting. 4x minus 3x results 1x by 8 equal to 9. So 9 can be written as 9 by 1. No issues in that. Now we'll go for a cross multiplication. So x is equal to 8 9s are 72. So children, what did I get? 72. This is the value of x, or the total number of deers in the field or in the herd. This is only our answer. 72 number of deers were in the herd. Children, this is how we have to solve it. Now, let us talk about the next question, question number 9, which is really very interesting. Question number 9 is about that a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. A grandfather is 10 times older than granddaughter. So, let granddaughter's age be equal to x. If I take granddaughter's age as x, so grandfather's age will be 10x. From where I'm getting this 10x? From the question itself. It's mentioned it's 10 times of the granddaughter. And he is also 54 years older than her. Means grandfather is 54 years older than granddaughter. So according to the question, children, according to the question, grandfather's age minus granddaughter's age, that is equal to 54, because grandfather is 54 years older than grandfather. So if I subtract granddaughter's age from grandfather's age, I'm supposed to get 54. So children, 10x minus 1x is 9x is equal to 54. So naturally, if we keep x over here, and 9 will be transposed from left hand side to the right hand side. So it's going to be divided. 9 was multiplied, so it will be divided over here. It will be 6 9s are 54. So I'll get the value of x is 6. So granddaughter's age was considered as x. So granddaughter is 6 years old. So I believe it's clear to everyone, children. Question number 10 is as simple as question number 9. I want you to solve question number 10 your own self. If you get difficulties to solve this, please feel free to speak to me. Till then, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care, children. Bye-bye.